Hello friends, my qualification and address. My name is freelancer Minhaj. I am from Bangladesh. I am a professional digital marketer, Facebook ads, Google ads, and SEO expert. I can provide digital marketing service that will be very satisfactory, and I can grow any of your business, like rank your YouTube channel, bring new traffic to our site, website SEO, create a business page, any product sales, video marketing, video SEO, book promotion, and lead generation expert. Can work perfectly. Organically targeted audience in your targeted country, and Facebook ads, Google ads, marketing. So far I have done 1000 plus job in digital marketing outside the marketplace. I have account in marketplace, Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. But I don't work much on Fiverr and Upwork marketplace because either marketplace has no way to email personal info and business details. You can provide phone numbers and moreover will charge overcharge both the seller and the buyer. So I don't I don't work. I'm most comfortable working outside the marketplace. Last, hope you understand what I mean. If you need digital marketing service, let me know. Thanks. Thanks to you. Have a nice day.